Grand Bazaar. Welcome to Istanbul's bustling heart, where centuries of commerce and culture intertwine. The Grand Bazaar, known as Kapalı Çarşı. Step into this labyrinth of history and trade, where vibrant tapestries of colors and sounds envelop you. The Grand Bazaar, with its sprawling maze of covered streets, is a living testament to Istanbul's role as a crossroads of civilizations. As you wander through the bustling lanes, you'll be greeted by a symphony of languages and the aroma of exotic spices wafting through the air. Merchants beckon with their wares, showcasing a mesmerizing array of treasures, from intricately woven carpets to glittering jewelry and handcrafted ceramics. Can you feel the energy of trade and interaction that has thrived within these walls for centuries? The Grand Bazaar is more than a market. It's a microcosm of history. Its origins trace back to the 15th century, and as you explore its nooks and crannies, you'll find echoes of Ottoman splendor and Byzantine influences. What stories do you think the walls of the Grand Bazaar could tell if they could speak? Each corner unveils a new realm of discovery. The Bedestan, the oldest part of the bazaar, is a treasure trove of antiques and traditional crafts. The Cevahir Bedestan, in particular, once served as a repository of precious gems and treasures. And as you sip traditional Turkish tea and engage in friendly haggling with shopkeepers, you become part of the Grand Bazaar's ongoing narrative. The market is a celebration of human interaction, a place where cultures collide, friendships are forged, and traditions are passed down through generations. The Grand Bazaar is more than just shopping. It's an immersion into Istanbul's soul. It's a reminder that in this age of modernity, the heart of a city still beats in its markets, where traditions continue to thrive and evolve. What traditions do you see reflected in your own life's journey? As you leave the Grand Bazaar, you'll carry with you the memory of its vibrant colors, the echoes of its history, and the connections you have made with the people who call it home. It's a reminder that just as Istanbul's past enriches its present, the experiences and connections you make become thread-woven into the fabric of your own history. So, as you step back into the modern world, may the spirit of Kapalı Çarşı inspire you to cherish the diversity of cultures, embrace the beauty of traditions, and find the magic of connection in the unlikeliest of places. What treasures will you carry with you from the Grand Bazaar as you continue your own journey?